Hi guys, today we will see how to download images using Python in two easy methods. So let's get started. Let's create a Python file called py-image-download.py, and we will also create a folder called images where we will store all the downloaded images. Let me declare a variable for the images folder, stored folder equal to images. Now I am going to declare two variables for the image URLs. One we will use for the method 1 and the other we will use for the method 2. So for the image URL we will search Google. Let's search for background images. I am selecting this one. Right click this image and click copy the image address and then paste it here. For the second image we will select this one. Now we will declare two variables for the image file name in which it has to be saved. Method 1 is through urllib.request. Import urllib.request. urllib.request.url retrieve. Here we have to pass two arguments. The one is image URL and the other one is image file name with the path. Now if you see in the images folder, there is no image as of now. Let's open a new terminal. Let's run the file python3 py-image-download.py. Okay, there is an SSL verification error. So to solve this, let's import SSL. ssl.create_default_https_context equal to ssl.create_unverified context. Here we are setting an unverified SSL context as the default HTTPS context. Now let's run the file again. Done. If you see here, the image has been downloaded with the file name which we have defined. Let's comment the method 1 and we will start method 2. For this method we will be using wget. Import wget. If this package is not installed in your system, then install it with pip. wget.download. Here also we will pass two arguments. First is the file URL and the second one is the file name with the path. Let's run it. Okay, there is a 403 forbidden error. So we will try with a different URL. Let's select this. Let's run it again. If you see your file is downloaded, let's check the folder. The image is downloaded with the file name which we have defined. That's it guys, we have downloaded images using two different methods. Method 1 through urllib.request and method 2 through wget. You can also download an image using request, but for that you have to read the image contents, then paste it in a file and save the file as image file. That we will see in a separate video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.